Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to copy and paste a text on iPhone. So let's start. In this video I'm going to show you with the Gmail app. Now I'll just open the Gmail app and select a conversation to copy a text from. Now let's look for a text we can copy. Let's copy this one. Oops, it's a link. Now let's look for a text. This looks like a text. What you have to do is you have to long press on the text and select the portion you want to copy and then tap on copy. Now tap on compose and then tap on compose email and then double tap. And you'll get the paste option. Tap on paste to paste the text. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.